Yes, I'm done.
Okay, let's go with an example.
Mm.
See, here I have taken a report card of a student called SSV. So,
Okay.
a report card and a variable, I'm storing her name along with her marks for each subject.
Okay.
So, name is SSV, math marks are 88, science 92, and my class is like I'm 10th standard girl.
Okay.
So, I'm
But
closing the dictionary.
English is not there, right?
Not that I haven't given here.
Okay.
ఇప్పుడు మనకి ఏదైతే రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఉందో ఫర్ సపోజ్ ఇఫ్ వి గో త్రూ each and every subject we can insert. If it is really working for a school teacher report card, she can
Mm.
insert each and everything like
Okay.
Telugu, Hindi, English, Maths, Science, Social, likewise.
Okay.
This
I
is
got it.
the report card I have taken, like dictionary I have taken. Now I want to print out science marks. So I have taken print from report card, particularly science. Right? What it will give us? Hope it will give you. Hope it will. Hello.
Yes, yes. I'm following you.
Yes. It will print as 92.
92.
But suppose I forgot to add English here as you asked. So I would
Mm.
like to insert this English subject into the report card dictionary. As my English marks are 95. And the next, I want to change my math marks from 88 to 90. It will update. Let us check whether it updates or not. See, I have taken to print the report card which I have taken variable here.
Okay.
Mhm.
Print report card. Okay.
So now what it will print for us?
It will print everything. I mean, entire data.
It will, yes, it will add English and it will
English,
also update 90 marks in this for the math.
mathematics, and it will. Yep.
Yes. Firstly, it printed the science marks as 92
Mm.
and next
Because
name is SSV marks 90, science, my class is 10 and English marks also got printed. If I have taken this here, let us see what it prints. See, initially it's printing name, math, science, class. What we have taken in the dictionary. That's all it is. It is printing for us.
mm,
And then once we have updated these things, it is printing the final one which is updated.
is updated one. Yeah, new values. That's true.
Correct.
Mathematics is 1988.
Okay, let's go through. Hope
Uh,
you understand this
yeah,
dictionary part. You
yeah, can I note it down? Yep.
yes, yes, please.
I think I'm good. Yes, you can continue.
Yes.
So I just want to
This is
understand how they pass this English and everything, so that I can properly understand.
sorry, I haven't.
No, I'm writing it down
Are the
so that I can understand how they, for example, when new values English are added, how they're adding with quotations and everything, because those are the one that matters.
this you are asking about how English is added అని
Yeah.
చెప్పేసి అడుగుతున్నారు కదా.
ఇంగ్లీష్ డబుల్ కోట్ లో ఉంటది కదా, లోపల డబుల్ కోట్స్ పెట్టి అక్కడ
అవును.
డబుల్ పెట్టాలి, అవన్నీ ప్రాపర్ గా తెలియాలి. సో అందుకోసమని రాయడం.
So yes. This English we are taking it like a string,
స్ట్రింగ్, ఎస్.
and this is integer. Like
ఇంటీజర్.
English అనే ఒక సబ్జెక్ట్ లో 95 మార్క్స్ వచ్చాయి. Where this subject comes under string, this marks comes under integer, right?
Yes, but in this dictionary SSV, everything should be string, right, on the left hand side, because some
Correct.
I think
All
so.
the key values should be strings only, no?
Strings only. Okay,
Uh-huh.
I got it.
So for one particular string, we'll be assigning a value. That is the concept we have learned now. For a particular key, we're gonna pair and value. So in the same way, whatever we take in the left, like as a key values we called in our Python language, that would be string. For that, you can take this string also here. You can take integer value, so you can take float value also.
Okay,
Whatever you take on the right, but the left side thing should be string itself.
okay.
Hope you are on the line.
Yeah, I'm on the line. I got it now. It's very understandable.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes. Coming to the sets. Sets, we can say these are unordered collections, but it consists very unique items in a single variable. It doesn't allow duplicates, where it also uses the curly braces.
Okay.
So in easy we can say set లో మనకి unordered ఉంటాయి. So if you remember list లో we discussed that the list of items will be ordered.
Yes, yes.
యా లిస్ట్ లో మనకి ప్రతి ఒక్క ఇండెక్స్ కి ఒక లైక్ ప్రతి ఒక్క ఐటమ్ కి ఒక వాల్యూ ఉంటుంది. లైక్ ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ 0 ఇస్ ఫస్ట్ ఐటమ్, ఇండెక్స్ ఆఫ్ 1 ఇస్ సెకండ్ ఐటమ్, కరెక్ట్?
Yes.
ఎందుకు అది ఆర్డర్డ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి వి డు హ్యావ్ ద బేస్ వాల్యూస్ లైక్ పొజిషన్స్. సెట్స్ వచ్చేసి మనకు అన్ఆర్డర్డ్ కాబట్టి వి డు నాట్ హ్యావ్ లైక్ ఇండెక్స్ పార్ట్ ఇన్ దిస్. అండర్స్టూడ్?
Okay, so where we use set and where we use list, what is the difference between them? I mean, in the real world scenario.
Yes. In a perfect thing, like in my project, we will get multiple data sets from medical field. So
Okay.
sometimes people do enter different entries for a single patient.
Yes.
This sets will take the different entries of patients, but while giving us output, it don't give us the repetitions.
Okay.
But in that huge data, we don't understand ఎవరిది రిపీట్ చేసాం, ఎవరిది 2 times ఎంట్రీ చేసాం అని చెప్పేసి we don't understand, right?
Yes.
ఒక డేటా సెట్ మీద మనకి హ్యూజ్ డేటా సెట్ మీద క్లారిటీ లేదు, లైక్ రిపిటేషన్ కనుక్కోవడం టఫ్ టాస్క్ అన్నప్పుడు we do use sets. We have gunshot data very clear. That time we do use lists.
Okay, so we don't know that the data, I mean, whether it is ordered, I mean, not sure about it, so we will use this set. Okay.
Yes.
That's good. I got it.
Yes. Initially, while we are taking the set, it allows the duplicates. If I return a number for the twice, see here for grades, I have taken 10, 9.5, 10, and 8. It allows duplicates 10 for twice. But while I print the grades, it will print me 8, 9.5, and 10. Hope you get it out here why it is taking in ascending order.
Uh, Not ascending. Oh, 10 to came two times, right? So it's remove the duplicates. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
like
So,
this. మనం ఎలాంటి ఆర్డర్లో తీసుకున్నా కూడా it will make an order and print. Where duplicates are also not allowed. See here you will get dictionary అంటే ఒక key it pairs with a value like we represent here. And the next set అంటే దాంట్లో ఒక యూనిక్ ఐటమ్ ఉంటుంది, కర్లీ బ్రేసెస్ తోనే రిప్రజెంట్ చేస్తాం. Lists are ordered items represented using square brackets.
okay.
You can see the real world examples here. The dictionary, when you need a name and detail, like our Aadhaar card. We will have an Aadhaar number, Aadhaar ID with the personal details.
Okay.
Set we do using the attendance. For each and every roll number, we do ping a name and attendance. But suppose if we forgot the roll number 1 candidate and also have written in the roll number 10, it won't take. It will print only once according to the order. Bakshi, you are there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm seeing it. No, I got it.
Yeah, yeah. A list like our Instagram feed. Duplicate also matters. ఒక్కొక్కసారి మనం చూసిన రీల్, చూసిన ఫీడ్స్, చూసిన పోస్ట్స్ కూడా they keep repeating.
Yes, and there is no way that it will make it a single one and do it, right? It has to be there.
Correct. This is all about sets.
So,
Let us go with the next. Yes,
can I
yes.
note
You want
it?
to make it on?
Yeah.
Sure.
So, could you upload these PPTs also there? It will be.
Sure. Just ఈజీగా ఉండడం కోసం యూ మేక్ ఏ నోట్. నేను మీకు ఒక నోట్స్ లింక్ ఇప్పుడు చాట్ బాక్స్ లో పెట్టాను కదా, దట్ కన్సిస్ట్ ఇంకా ఈజీ లాంగ్వేజ్ అండ్ ఈజీ టర్మ్స్ లో ఉంటుంది మీకు. Once after this class is done, I'll update that and I'll post that in the mail also.
Okay.
Hope you are practicing your course in Google Colab platform.
Yeah, I can able to access Google Colab now, so I'm doing that only.
Okay.
I just made streamlined my Gmail and everything.
Okay. That would be very helpful to us in further uses also. Like if meanwhile we're writing a long code, if we forgot a line also, it will suggest us. ఎక్కడో ChatGPT కోడ్ ని తెచ్చి ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేసినా కూడా it will explain us if we place our cursor